Hey guys! Today we have a new trading strategy. We trade on the pocket option brokerage platform. The registration link will be in the description. And today we are trading with you using the Alligator indicator. These are the settings you will need to set for yourself. Take a screenshot or pause the video to copy these settings. In general, they are extremely simple. Here you only need to tweak a few values so that we get the following picture on the graph. Also, for this strategy, we use a time frame of 10 seconds and an expiration time of 1 minute. Now I will find a currency pair, we will analyze it and open a first deal. So friends, we will work with this asset. Here I immediately open a sell position and now I explain to you the reason. Look carefully. Every time we have a crossover on the Alligator indicator, or rather the green one crosses two other lines, we begin a good upward movement or a good downward movement if the crossover occurs from top to bottom, as in this case. So if we see that a crossover has occurred from bottom to top, this means that for some time the price will move in an ascending channel. Next, why did I open for sell now? That is, I see that we are experiencing a narrowing. This means most likely that the green one will intersect the other two from top to bottom. Accordingly, this is a signal to sell. Well, as you can see, the analysis is indeed correct. A signal to sell, the deal will be closed in pure profit, and here we can earn $40 on top. Now there is an intersection of two other moving ones from top to bottom, and we take profit here with you. Great result, great situation. Next we set up with an amount of $90 and move on to the next currency pair. So friend, the following situation, here we open a buy position for 1 minute. Contrary to what we see on the chart, we open a buy position. Also, our green line has along crossed the red line and the blue line from top to bottom. That is, here initially there was a sell signal. And if we had opened this asset a little earlier, then most likely we would have opened for sell, perhaps at this correction, and would have received such a good downward movement. But in this case, our price has approached the support zone, and here we see a cyclical situation, second touch. We're expecting a reversal. By the way, we're experiencing a reversal quite good, and this is the upward movement we're getting. That is, in the future there will be an intersection of two other moving ones from bottom to top. This will mean a good upward movement, but for now we're taking profit with you. That is, in fact, now you and I have $173 on our balance, and this is an amazing result. Next, we set this amount and move again to the next asset. As you can see, the strategy is extremely simple. So friend, the next currency pair, here I open a buy position at $173 at this point. Look carefully, our situation is interesting because here we see the main support level, and every time we touch this level we had pullbacks. And now, in the last situation where we opened a deal with you, the price has already reversed. That is, we had opened with you simply for the continuation of this upward trend. Also, here we see, in addition to updating local maxima, we see updating local minima. This means that the trend is upward and we open the trade correctly. In addition, please note that here the price has crossed two other moving ones from bottom to top. This also means a buy signal, so literally 10 seconds remain. We are waiting for the result. So our next deal has come to an end. We already have $329 on our balance sheet. Next, we set this amount and again move to the next currency pair. By the way, about this situation, I think that the price movement will be directed downwards. So friends, the next asset, here we are just beginning to see a downward price movement, and at this inception we are opening a sell position. This is probably the best situation that fully reflects the essence of this strategy. As soon as we have a crossover, we already have a fairly good downward movement, and at the moment when the crossover occurs, we are in correction. We open a sell position with you. And now we see such a downward price movement. That is, in fact, we did everything right. We're just waiting for the result. So friend, the next transaction has come to an end. $631 is on our balance sheet. We set this amount and look for the currency pair again. So friend, the next currency pair, when opening a buy position here, I think you won't have to explain for a long time, because now you see that we only have the intersection of 3 moving averages, where the green ones cross the other 2 from bottom to top. This is a signal to buy. Besides, we have quite huge green candles, which indicate that in this area there is a huge concentration of buyers who are pushing the price up. Our task is to open a position and just wait for the result. Let's see. So friend, the next transaction has come to an end. 1,155 is on our balance. Here we work just 100%. We just saw the beginning of the movement, opened the position and got a clear plus. I think this situation is the epitome of this strategy, so I hope you like it and use it yourself. Thank you all for watching. See you again.